The Holy Grail's true nature. Welcome back, history enthusiasts. Today, we will be delving into the mysterious and captivating story surrounding the true nature of the Holy Grail. Legend has it that the Holy Grail was the cup used by Jesus at the Last Supper. Many believe that it possesses divine powers, granting eternal life and healing the wounded. However, the true nature of the Holy Grail remains shrouded in mystery and subject to various interpretations. Some theories suggest that the Holy Grail is not a physical object, but rather a symbol of spiritual enlightenment. Others propose that it could be an artifact that has been hidden throughout the ages, waiting to be discovered. Countless knights and adventurers embarked on quests in search of this precious relic, each with their own stories to tell. Even renowned figures, like King Arthur and his Knights of the Round Table, were consumed by their desire to find the Holy Grail. These legends and myths have captivated generations, fueling our imagination and sparking endless debates. Some text goes here, but what if the Holy Grail's true nature is not limited to a singular interpretation? Some text goes here. Perhaps, it is a complex combination of history, mythology, and spirituality. To truly understand the mysterious nature of the Holy Grail, we must explore various historical records and ancient texts. One such account is the medieval romance of Parzival, which tells the story of a noble knight on a quest for the Holy Grail. This epic tale explores themes of chivalry, the pursuit of truth, and the significance of spiritual quests. Another intriguing reference to the Holy Grail can be found in the Arthurian legend, specifically in the quest of Sir Galahad. Galahad was said to have been the purest and most virtuous knight, chosen to complete the quest and discover the Holy Grail. Many believe that the search for the Holy Grail is not just a physical journey, but also a metaphorical one. It represents the constant pursuit of knowledge, wisdom, and spiritual enlightenment. Throughout history, artists, writers, and filmmakers have been inspired by the allure of the Holy Grail. From literature to movies, the quest for the Holy Grail has taken countless forms, capturing our imagination. In conclusion, the true nature of the Holy Grail may forever remain a mystery. Its significance, whether physical or symbolic, lies within the countless tales and legends that have been passed down through the ages. But one thing is for certain, the Holy Grail continues to fascinate and inspire us, as we seek the answers to its elusive nature.